Need help with algebra or any math problem? In this video, I'll show you how to use Photomath and ChatGPT, two powerful AI tools that can scan, solve, and explain math problems step by step. First up, Photomath. It's a mobile app that solves math by using your phone's camera. Just open the app, point your camera at the math problem, and tap the red circle. You'll get an instant solution along with a clear, step-by-step explanation. This is great for homework or quick checks. Some features are free, but for advanced explanations or word problems, you might need Photomath Plus. Next, let's use ChatGPT. You can type your math problem or even use the camera to scan it, just like Photomath. Tap the camera icon, scan your problem, and ChatGPT will process it in seconds. If you prefer typing, just enter your question like this. ChatGPT will walk you through the logic and the steps. What makes ChatGPT unique is how it explains why each step works, and you can even ask follow-up questions for more clarity. Photomath is perfect for quick camera-based solving. ChatGPT is ideal when you want deep understanding and full explanations. Try them both and see what works best for your learning style. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll compare the two side by side. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it.